Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to convert video to audio on Android. So let's get right into it. Head over to your CapCut. Once you're there, head over to add a new project or anyone. Just add a new project. Also do it, click on add. Then just click on the tape and just go to audio. Then scroll down and then you will find extract option, and there just extract the audio, click on add, and there goes the extracted audio of yours. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.